problem 2748, number of beautiful pairs. So we are giving a zero index integer array nums. So for example, for this nums, a pair of indices I and j, if I is less than j, less than nums length, is called beautiful if the first digit of the nums I and the last digit of nums j are co-prime. And the co-prime is defined the GCD of x and y if they are equal to 1, so it is a co-prime. Yeah. Now we want to return the total number of beautiful pairs in nums. We can use two for loops, and then we're gonna use the GCD. So the time complexity is gonna be n log k. Yeah, k is the largest number. Yeah, but currently we are giving this constraint of n equal to 100. So this is okay because 100 times 100 times log 10,000, it is okay. But what if this number is just 1,000, just 10,000, 10 to the power of 4? Definitely we cannot use brute force to solve the problem. Yeah. Now I want to try to solve it in the last method. So I'm gonna use basically log n times log k times complexity. Yeah. Maybe it is n log k times 10. Yeah, this 10 is just from the counter. Because our first digit and the last digit, it will always be from 1 to 9. Yeah, because there's no other digit. Yeah. So for example, if our number is 987, so the first digit is going to be 9 and last digit is going to be 7. Yeah. So the idea is that I want to enumerate so from this way, I'm gonna enumerate the last digit, and I want to store the first digit inside a counter, and then I just want to count how many pairs directly. So this is gonna be n log k times 10. Yeah. So even n is 10 to the power of maybe 5. So this is still okay to pass for the Leetcode. So let's just try to use this kind of a method. I'm gonna prepare a result equal to 0. So this is gonna be my final result. How many pairs do I have? And then I'm gonna prepare a counter array. So it's gonna be 0 times 10 because I just needed to have numbers from 1 to 9. So I'm gonna use the index to represent my numbers. Now I want to check the nums. So for x in nums and for y c in enumerate the counter, I just wanted to check the GCD. So if the GCD with the number from the counter, so this means it is the first digit, and then I'm gonna check the last digit. It is 10 x modulo 10. It is gonna be the last digit. So if the GCD of them equal to 1, definitely I want to plus it to the result. So how many of them? I wanted to check how many inside the counter, so it's going to be c. So result just plus this is c. Otherwise, I just want to store it inside my counter. So for this number, it is x. So my counter is count. So it is an integer with the string of this x, and it's going to be the first digit. So it's going to be 0. So the counter would plus equal to 1. So this is going to be the final code. And now let's just check it and submit it. Yeah, as you can see, it's pretty fast. Now let's just analyze the time complexity. So here, this is n, it is just 100. So here is another for loop, but this is just 10, so n times 10. And here is the GCD. So for the GCD, it is log k. K is the largest number, so it is 10 to the power of 4. So the time complexity is going to be 10 times n times log k. Thank you for watching. See you next time.